I want you to do an experiment with me real quick. This has helped shape a lot of the financial literacy I've been looking for in my life, and hopefully it can help you too. There's something called the 4% rule. So if I accumulate all my assets, after I retire, I should be able to receive 4% essentially interest or dividends off of my assets every year. So 4% of $1 million is $40,000. So I want you to take what you want to make in retirement, let's call it $100,000, and divide that by 0.04. So if I want to make $100,000 in retirement, I have to have $2.5 million in assets. To me, the way that I see that is five $500,000 homes. I'd say a lot of people that I talk to think that that's out of the realm of possibilities, but I really don't think that it is, so stick with me here. Now, let's count for inflation. If I have $100,000 in retirement, because of inflation, $100,000 30 years from today will be like you're living off of $48,000. So if you wanted to make $100,000 in retirement today, it'd be more like making $200,000 in retirement because you have to account for inflation. And how do we hedge against inflation? Real estate. So now we're looking at 10 $500,000 homes. I share more methods on how to get there in future videos, but let's just think of the concept here. If I want to make $100,000 today, I have to have 10 $500,000 houses or 5 $1 million houses. The crazy part is that you don't need to buy 5 $1 million houses, because if you bought a $500,000 house today with 7% appreciation a year for the next 30 years, which is very normal for our region, a $500,000 house with 7% interest over the course of 30 years is now worth $2.1 million. So when we think I need to buy 10 $500,000 houses, that's not necessarily the case. You just need to buy these houses and have them appreciate over time. You are going to need to buy in a great area, and you're going to need to buy multiple houses. But to obtain 3 houses in your lifetime and have them appreciate over the course of the next 30 years is not impossible. So think about that when you're setting yourself up for future success, because if you want to make money in retirement that's more than just Social Security, you're going to have to take proactive actions in order to get there, and it's not as scary as it looks. It's actually very obtainable. I want to be able to help you understand more about that and how to get there, because being financially set in the future is important to me, and I hope it's important to you too. Like, follow, and subscribe if you want to hear more, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.